guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I got this gorgeous curly hairstyle, then keep on watching. But first, subscribe, hit that red button over there. Or is it over there? I don't know. Okay, stop. I can't even dance. Alright. So I braided my hair down off camera, and the part I'm gonna leave out, I twist it in 2 strand twist. So right now I'm just pinning these couple braids up. I know my parts are not straight, guys. Don't judge me, okay? Ain't no one gonna see no under this cap. So anyways, I sewed 2 clips on the top and 2 clips on the bottom. I sewed that off camera. If you are going to use the clips, I would say put 2 on the sides also, because later on in this video I ended up just bobby pinning them down because the clips didn't hold them down. So I'm just pinning this down onto my head. So you see right here, I'm clipping the half wig down, and I'm just pulling it up to where my twist stopped at. Guys, this hair is so beautiful. Like, I'm completely in love. It's not heavy, it's very lightweight, and it blends into my hair so well. So we're gonna untwist these twists. I'm using argan oil. I'm just gonna pour a little bit onto my hand and rub it through my twist, and then we're gonna start untwisting them. But yeah, I would recommend this hair, especially it's a good wig in the summertime. It's not heavy at all. I can still like feel I don't feel like I'm burning up underneath it and everything. I don't know why my facial expressions are so ugly in this video. Like, my nose all scrunched up, my mouth look all crazy. Like, you can see the lines in my forehead. Like, I don't know. But anyways, just ignore those. But I'm just playing with the hair. As you can see, my curl pattern from the twist out and the pattern of the wigs matches so nicely. It just blends in. So this is when I talk about, like, I was like bobby pinning the sides down. So if you put 2 clips there, you wouldn't have to worry about this step. But yeah, I didn't. So I'm just bobby pinning this down right now. Now I'm just trying to move my hair so that it covers the tracks from the half wig. And if it looks like I'm not looking in the camera, it's because I'm looking at a mirror like right next to it because I can't see. So yeah, I'm just playing around with it, trying to see how I'm gonna blend this out and everything. But I actually ended up sewing this down to my head, but that's because I'll be working like all week and I don't got time to be messing with this. So right now I'm just like adding some layers in it, making it blend more. If I get some scissors that actually work. But I'm just blending them in, cutting like at an angle so that it looks like I have layers in it. I'm struggling as you can see. So you're just gonna keep cutting into the hair till you get the shape that you want, adding as many layers as you want till it blends in with your hair. So I just ended up twisting down the hair that I left out as a leave out. I ended up twisting that and pinning it because I was recording this before I had to go to work, so I was trying not to take too much time on it. So I'm just pinning it, and it looks very natural when I pin it down, so that's how I just rolled with it. So yeah, this is how it came out. I'm in love with it. I'm doing a little slow-mo piece. You can see all the movement and bounce it has. I have gotten so many compliments on this hair. Everybody thinks it's my real hair, so you know, I just go with it. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you.